You're about to intimately know Virgo inside and out. I'll guide you through their rulerships, their traits, their energy, and then I will also guide you through some practices that will help you activate and embody the Virgo energy that lies in each and every one of us. Hi, I'm Alethea, your favorite mystic mentor. I offer one-on-one birth chart readings to help my clients align with the life of their wildest dreams. If you'd like to receive a reading and understand how the unique energy works in your chart, go ahead and click the link in the description box below to book yours today. Let's get into all things Virgo. Virgos are earth signs, meaning they are grounded, they are practical, and they nurture through acts of service. Virgos are also mutable, meaning they are adaptable. They are responsive and quick to respond. They're also very detail-oriented, which I'm sure you've heard a million times before. Virgo is ruled by the planet Mercury, which is the planet of the mind, the messenger planet, which is the same planet that rules Gemini. However, where Gemini is more curious and playful, Virgo is more critical and analytical. They are very sharp thinkers and sharp learners. If you think about when Virgo season is, it's like back to school season. I'm talking office supplies, school supplies, highly organized, going to class, taking all the notes, really taking all the information in, being as efficient and as perfect as they can possibly be. That is Virgo energy. And I am a Virgo and I'm not in school anymore, but I am still so obsessed with learning. I learn all the time. I literally take so many online courses and stuff because it's fun to me. I take notes, notepads and notepads of notes. Office supplies are like my love language. You heard it here first, babes. If you want to get anything for a Virgo, get them some nice office supplies, some beautiful pens, some beautiful journals. That will make any Virgo in your life happy. Virgo rules the 6th house, the house of your daily work life and your health and wellness. It's so important for Virgos to have healthy routines and to feel good in their bodies. Health is wealth. Virgo is ruled by the tarot card, the Hermit, which is all about going on a journey, a solitude journey all by yourself to go into your soul and to become a better version of you. You're going into the depths of your soul, which is so resonant to me as a huge Virgo stellium. Like, yes, that makes so much sense. Virgo is ruled by the Virgin or the Maiden with a sheaf of wheat. She is all about service. Acts of service is like the biggest thing. The more she can serve the world, the better she feels. Healing and serving, working, great work ethic. Virgo also rules the stomach and the digestive system. And Virgos can be very activated in their nervous system, which can lead to some digestive issues or some stomach problems. So it is very important to have practices where you can relax and calm down and cool down. And again, healthy eating, healthy exercise, healthy routines is so big for a Virgo. Let's talk Virgo energy. Virgo loves structure, order, and efficient systems. They are all about going through and processing what they can use and getting rid of everything that is non-efficient or not useful. They're gifted at behind the scenes work and serving to make everything run smoothly. They hold a very strong work ethic. If you want to hire someone on your team, hire a Virgo. They are incredible workers, but they also need intentional rest too. They have a high chance of burnout because they are always doing everything for other people and forget to rest and take care of themselves too. Virgo finds spiritual meditation and power in household rituals, such as cleaning. Cleaning is a meditative practice for me, personally. And I'm sure it is for a lot of the other Virgos here. Virgos are here to serve. That is their key word. They are here to heal and they are here to serve. Virgo is very analytical and discerning. They're also great learners. They love to learn about things that interest them. They will dive deep when they find something they want to know more about. They sometimes struggle with overthinking or perfectionism. And I just want to remind you that a Virgo is not an air sign. A Virgo is an earth sign, meaning they really need to get out of their head and get into their body. When they can get into their body, that is when the magic happens. Embodiment from the soul happens when you get out of all the analytical, criticizing, judgmental thoughts that are living in their head that they've gone over 1,000 billion times, and instead drop down, get into their body, and move. That's the key to combat some of that anxiety and overthinking and perfectionism that Virgos so often experience. Virgos are very highly intelligent and they love refining their knowledge and really turning it into wisdom. Virgo is an earth sign, like I said, so they really need time in nature. They really need time to take care of their body, working out, exercising, and whatever that means to them. If that's hiking in the woods, that's wonderful. If that's swimming in your local river, great. If that's going to the gym and lifting weights, love that. Make sure that you are moving your body and taking care of your health and eating good, healthy, whole foods so you can feel your absolute best. All right, let's talk how to embody Virgo energy, how to use practical tools to bring the energy into its highest, healthiest state. Virgos are very sensitive to their environments, as we've talked about, so it's very, very important that their environment is clean and clear. When they have a clean and clear environment, they have a clean and clear mind. So of course, I bet you didn't see this one coming, but to activate the Virgo in your chart, clean, declutter, organize. It's going to make you feel so freaking good and so glad that you did it. Another great practice for a Virgo is to eat clean, whole, healthy foods, not the processed junk that so many Americans are used to eating. No, that's not going to do you any good, okay? You need to eat whole, healthy foods that are going to nourish and strengthen your body. Also, creating like schedules and systems that are efficient and that make sense, that's going to make your Virgo heart sing. I can promise you that much. That structure that is not too much, not a bunch of extra stuff added in, but like simple, refined, efficient structure is what a Virgo needs. It's what they crave. That organization, love it. And finally, going on a solo walk in nature. Virgos need time to themselves because they're constantly serving and healing others. They need time to rest, recharge, and recuperate just by themselves so they don't get lost in other people, lost in doing things for other people. So taking time for yourself to go out in nature and just be is such a beautiful practice. And truly, that's when I get all my best ideas, speaking from experience. So try it out. And some journaling prompts for Virgo is, how can I use my unique gifts and talents to be of service to the world? How can I use my unique gifts and talents to be of service to the world? Love that one. Another one is, how can I simplify with love? It's not about doing too much and taking on all the things. It's actually about finding out what works and what brings you the most joy and the most fulfillment. How can I simplify with love? Journal on those to get some ideas on how to bring Virgo into your life. All right, my love, thank you so much for joining me today as we deep dived into all things Virgo. Truly, this was such an honor. I've been so excited to do Virgo. So excited. And if you're interested in learning more about your own birth chart so you can see where you really fit with these zodiac signs and how they play into your life, I would love for you to book a one-on-one reading with me. So insightful, it's so empowering, it's so exciting. You're gonna learn so much about yourself, and I'm really gonna actually give you an action plan that you can take with you so you can align with the reality that you desire. Because your chart holds the map, it holds the key, it holds the wisdom to get you to where you wanna go. It really does. The more I've learned astrology, the more I've been able to align with my dream life. And I want that for you too. So yes, click the link in the description box to receive a birth chart reading from me. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead and comment below if you have any Virgo in your chart. Where is it? I would love to know. Like this video if it was helpful to you at all. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss next week's video where we are talking the balanced, beautiful Queen Libra. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. Thank you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.